Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add rows below in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets file. Then show the Google Sheets file is the add row in the below. Now click with the select from the end row is the below needs from the row add. Now going to the insert one option. Now click with the row option. Now click for the insert one below row option. That's it. Then show the add the row. Then again your needs is the add row from the below. Now for click. Now select from the any row option. Now going to the insert one option. Now click for the row option. Now click for the one below row option. Then again others is the same process. That's it. Then show the add row below in Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.